Today I'm going to walk you through how to use FTP to upload files to your WordPress site, even if you're a total beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safely and easily upload files to your site without any confusion, and you won't even need to mess with complicated FTP software. I'll show you the simplest way right from your WordPress dashboard. Let's dive straight in. First, start by opening your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the control center for your entire website. Think of it as the cockpit where you manage everything. Posts, pages, plugins, and more. If you're not sure how to get there, most WordPress sites have a login link just enter your username and password and you're in. Now the next step is to add a powerful tool that lets you manage your WordPress files directly from inside your dashboard. We're going to install something called WP File Manager. Head over to the Plugins section in the left sidebar, click Add New, and in the search box type in WP File Manager. You'll see it pop up in the results and it should have a blue folder icon. Click Install Now, and then once it's installed, hit Activate. This plugin basically acts like an FTP client built right into WordPress, so you don't need any extra software. It's a fantastic tool for beginners because it's all point and click. Alright, after the plugin is activated, you'll see WP File Manager appear in your side menu. Go ahead and click on that to open the File Manager. Don't worry if you see a lot of folders and files. It might look a bit technical at first, but it's actually just showing you all the files that make your website work. Everything is organized just like files and folders on your computer. Here, where the magic happens, look for the folder that says WordPress or sometimes public HTML or www. This is usually where your site's files live. Take your time here. If you're ever unsure, it's okay to pause and double check. When you find the right folder, give it a right click. You'll see a little context menu pop up. In this menu, select Upload Files. A window will appear inviting you to browse for the files you want to upload. This is just like attaching a file to an email or moving something on your desktop, super straightforward. Find the files on your computer you want to upload, select them, and confirm. Depending on the size of your files, this step might take a few moments. Be patient, especially with larger images or PDFs. Once the upload completes, you'll see your new files right there in the File Manager window. That means they're now part of your WordPress website structure and ready to be used however you want, maybe for a new plugin, a theme, or direct downloads for your visitors. And that's all there is to it. You've just uploaded files to your WordPress site using an FTP-like tool, but with zero hassle and no third-party software needed. If something doesn't look right, or you're worried you clicked the wrong folder, don't panic. WP File Manager keeps everything pretty safe and organized. Thanks so much for following along. If this video helped you, please tap that like button. It really helps other people find this tutorial. Drop any questions or things you're struggling with down in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides just like this one. See you in the next video.